Consider a head-on collision between two particles of the mass m1 and m2. The initial speeds of particles are u1 and u2 in the same direction. The collision starts at t0 and particles interact for the time interval delta t. During the collision, the speed of the first particle rises. Vt is equal to u1 plus t upon delta t v1 minus u1. Find the speed of the second particle as the function of time during the collision. Suppose speed of particle is, second particle is v2. Initial momentum is combination of the momentum of both particles, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Final momentum will be m1 vt plus m2 v2. Momentum will be conserved and Pf will be equal to P initial m1 vt plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Or m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 minus m1 vt. vt की वैल्यू पुट कर दें हम m1 u1 plus m2 u2 minus m1 vt is u1 plus t upon delta t v1 minus u1. Or m1 u1 plus m2 u2 minus m1 u1 minus m1 t by delta t v1 minus u1. This is m1 u1, m1 u1 से m1 u1 क्रॉस हो गया, m2 v2 minus m1 t delta t v1 minus u1. This is m2 v2. ये m2 कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ बचेगा v u2. दिस इज u2. u2 u2 minus m1 by m2 t by delta t v1 minus u1. तो v2 की वैल्यू आ जाती है u2 माइनस m1 बाई m2 t अपॉन डेल्टा t v1 माइनस u1.